Hello friends, we are discussing daily one case study question for class 10th from academic heights, learn from home. Why academic heights? For clarity, for concepts, for core, for competency. Overall, your turning point starts here. I am ready to teach you. Are you ready to learn? Let us see the case study question on chapter quadratic equations. We are seeing the first case study question. So let us see this case study question, what he has given. So the picture shows that something rolled. So definitely it is related to speed and time. So quickly we see the question. Raj and Ajay are very close friends. Both the families decided to go Ranikhet by their own cars. Raj's car travels at the speed of X kilometer per hour, while Ajay's car travels 5 kilometers faster than Raj's car. Raj took 4 hours more than Ajay completed the journey of 400 kilometers. So here clearly you can note down some important points. Raj and Ajay both are traveling 400 kilometers. That is the first point. Raj's speed is less than the Ajay speed. Clearly he has already clearly given that Raj's speed is X kilometers per hour and Ajay's speed is 5 kilometer more. It becomes X plus 5 kilometer more than the Raj's speed. So X plus 5. So these are very important points. We can note it down from this case study. Next, Raj took 4 hours more than the Ajay completed the journey. So we don't know Ajay how much he has taken, but Raj has taken more than that time, 4 hours more than that time. So this is basically the question, the combination of physics and maths. So this is a question we can solve by physics and maths. Already this type of question already you have solved in physics also. Now the maths and physics combination, we have this question, we'll solve this one. So first of all, I will write one of the formula. Do you identify this formula? S is equal to Vt. S means distance. So distance is equal to velocity into time. So in mathematics, velocity and speed is same for us. Speed into time. While if you look at the scenario of physics, so velocity and speed is different terminology. So as like displacements and distance, again both are different. So we are not discussing that all. So simple, S is equal to Vt, distance is equal to speed into time. So this is very important formula to complete this case study. Simple formula. Definitely distance is depends on speed and time. Everybody knows that one. So let us see this one first of all. Already clearly Raj car speed is X kilometers per hour. It is clearly given. So Ajay's car speed is, we can write it as X plus 5. X plus 5. So Raj speed is X and Ajay's speed is X plus 5. So both are traveling 400 kilometers. So let us see the case study now. What will be the distance covered by the Ajay's car in 2 hours? It's clear. It's very clear that Raj's car speed is x kilometers per hour and Ajay's car speed is x plus 5 kilometers per hour. Based on the data, I wrote this one. So per hour x kilometer he is going, per hour x plus 5 kilometers he is going. Now the Ajay's car will travel in 2 hours. Simple. Per kilometer. In 1 hour. In 1 hour, it travels x plus 5. In 2 hours, how much it travels? Ajay's car, how much it travels? Simple. 2 times of x plus 5. So 2 times of x plus 5. In 1 hour, this much kilometers he is covering. In 2 hours, definitely he covers this much distance. So that 2 times of x plus 5. Where it is? This is the option we have. So here clearly distance is equal to velocity into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. The Ajay's speed is x plus 5 and time in 2 hours, how much he will go? So 2 times of x plus 5. 2 times of x plus 5. This way also we can get it same answer. In this way also we can get it same answer. So I hope it is clear to everyone. Per hour this much, per hour this much, per 2 hours how much. So easily we can calculate it. Next one. Which of the following quadratic equation describes the case study? Above case study. Instead of this, better you can note down this is about the case study. It's not Raj and it's not Ajay's. So above case study, it's both. So both friends. So which of the following quadratic equation describes the above situation? Whatever he has given in the case study. So which quadratic equation describes this one? So once again, I will write the data. So Raj is going with the speed of x kilometer per hour. So this is we can deduce from the case study. Next, Ajay's speed is x plus 5 kilometer per hour. Next, both are traveling, both are covering the distance is 400 kilometers. So 400 kilometers is common for both. 400 kilometers they are traveling. So earlier we have discussed this one. S is equal to Vt. Distance is equal to velocity into time. What about time? So velocity I am taking to that side. Speed is I am taking to that side. S by V. S by V. So S by V is equal to T. S by V is equal to T. Distance by speed is equal to time. So therefore, time is equal to distance by speed. So this is the equation we got it and we know already this one. Now I will calculate the Raj's time. So about Raj's time, how much he's traveling the distance is how much? 400 kilometers. By his speed is how much? X kilometer per hour. So this 400 by x gives the time of Raj. The time of Raj. So he will take this much time to cover those many kilometers with this speed. Similarly, I will calculate the time of Ajay. Same. So distance by speed, that is nothing but distances. He is also covering same 400 kilometers and his speed is different over here. So what is the difference we have? Speed. So x plus 5. This is the difference in speed. So x plus 5. So what I wrote? Distance by speed I wrote. So this is time taken by Raj, 400 by x. Time taken by Ajay is 400 by x plus 5. Now, clearly in the question he has given that. Clearly he has given that. So who will cover early? Definitely Ajay will cover early. He will reach the destination early. Why? Because of his speed is more. So that he will take less time here. So TA is less than TR. This is very, very important here. Time taken by Ajay less than time taken by Ross. Definitely it is. So he has given their differences. The difference is how much? The difference is how much? 4 kilometers. 4 hours. So difference is how much? So TR minus TA we are doing. That is nothing but 4 hours it is. Clearly he has given that the time difference is 4 hours. So I'm using this equation and I'm writing the expression. So TR minus TA is equal to 4 hours. So this is from given data. This is from given data. So what is TR? So 400 by X minus 400 by X plus 5 is equal to 4 hours. So we got one of the equation. So now we have to solve this equation. Then we'll get a quadratic equation. So I am solving it. So 400 I am taking common. In the both the terms I am taking 400 common. So that is equal to 4 I have. So I could see 400 here and I could see 400 here. I am taking common 400 in the both the terms. So what is left out here? So this is 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 5. 1 by x plus 5. So 400 I have taken common and I got this expression. So this is the equation. The left side is expression. Next, 400 into, I will simplify this one. 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 5. How will simplify this one? Suppose if I have 1 by a plus 1 by b, I can easily simplify this. If it is plus or minus whatever it may be in between, I can cross multiply like this. This b will go here and this a will go here. So b plus or minus a by the product a into b. I can simplify in this way. So indirectly what we are doing, taking the same LCM and we are simplifying it. So cross multiply it and get it. So this expression goes here and this expression will goes here. So what I will get, x plus 5 minus x by the product of these two. So x into x plus 5. Here clearly I wrote the concept, how we are doing, how we are simplifying it. So is equal to 4. Is equal to 4 we have. Is equal to 4. So I can cancel this positive x and negative x. Both are in different signs. I can cancel it directly. Next, I am taking this 400 to that side. If not, we'll keep it here only. So 400 into 5, I'm writing it as 400. So numerator into numerator. 400 into 5 is equal to this denominator I'm taking to that side. This becomes 4 into x into x plus 5. So this is the expression, we'll get it. This is the equation, we'll get it. Now I can cancel it by, because of everything is in product, I can cancel it. 4 ones are and 400s I can cancel. If not, you can send this 4 to that side. It is divided by 4. 400 by 4 and how much? It is 100. In this way also we can do it. I wrote directly 4 ones are 4 hundreds are, it is cancelled. So what is left out the right hand side? That is 500. 500 is equal to x into x, x square, and x into 5, 5x. So this total 500 I'm taking to this side. So x square plus 5x minus 500 is equal to 0. Plus 500 becomes minus 500, that is equal to 0. So I got the quadratic equation as x square plus 5x minus 500 is equal to 0. So we have taken much time. No doubt it takes a much time. Actually, this is a 5 mark question, definitely, but he has given in the case study as a 1 mark. So to form a quadratic equation, so we have taken a much time, no doubt about it. So how we got the quadratic equation, that is important. So once you go through the explanation once again, simple, we are finding individual times of each and every one. So the time difference he has given as 4. That's why this minus this one is equal to 4 we have done. After that, by step simplification, we got the quadratic equation as this much. So which is the correct option here? Which is the correct option here? So it goes to C. So look at C will fit here. So quadratic equation we formed, that has identified it as C option is the correct one. So once again you practice this one. Later we can do the next questions. Come to the third question. What is the speed of Raj car? So how we'll get the speed of Raj car? If you simplify this quadratic equation, whatever we got the quadratic equation, if you simplify, you will get it. So we'll see other question also. Fourth question. How much time took Raj to travel 400? Again, it is depend on only one question, that is solving the quadratic equation. So what we got the quadratic equation here? X square plus 5x minus 500 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation, we got it. So we have to solve this one by either factorization method or either by using formula method, you can solve it. So here I am using factorization method. So coefficient of x square is 1, 1 with minus 500. So that is minus 500. So I will find all the factors for 500, which will suitable for us. So I can write 50 into 10. I can write 25 into 10, 20. So I think this will fit here. So why? Because of the difference is 5 here. I'm getting positive 5 here. And the product we should get minus 500. So if I keep minus here, the product of two numbers is how much? Here it is minus 500. And the addition of these two numbers should be 5. So here it is a 5. We should get this 5. The product is this much and the addition is this much. So based on this, I got this pair. This pair is suitable. 25 minus 20 is 5. 25 into minus 20 is minus 500. So I got the pair of which is shooting to this quadratic equation. So x square plus 25x minus 20x minus 500 is equal to 0. So in the both the two terms, I can take x common. When I take x common, x plus 25. In the two terms, what I can take common? Can I take 20 common in the both the two terms, last two terms? So minus 20. If I take minus 20 common, x plus 25. X plus 25 is equal to 0. Once you cross check it, x into x into x square, we are getting x square here. Next, x into 25, we are getting 25x. So the first two terms we have factorized perfectly. So minus 20 into x, minus 20x we have available here. It is available here. Minus 20 into 25. So minus 500 is available above. So we factorize correctly. Once again, I can take common the which is in the brackets. What is the expression in the brackets? We have x plus 25, it is common. If I take common, what is left out to you? X and minus 20 is left out. X minus 20, I can write it here, is equal to 0. If a into b is equal to 0, that is nothing but a is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. If product of two numbers is equal to 0, what do you mean by that? Either both are 0, if not one is 0 or other one is 0. So I am equating x plus 25 is equal to 0. So what I'm getting value, x is equal to minus 25, or x minus 20 is equal to 0. So minus 20, if it move that side, x is equal to 20. So I got the value minus 25 and 20. But we can neglect one of the value of this one here. So minus 25. Why? Because of the speed cannot be negative. The speed cannot be negative. So clearly the value of x is how much? 20. So what we have assumed earlier, x. So x is nothing but the speed of Raj's car. Already he has given in the case study also. So Raj's car speed is x kilometers per hour. So we got x as 20 kilometers per hour. Next, x plus 5, 20 plus 5. So 20 plus 5, that is nothing but 25 kilometers per hour. So that is the speed of Raj's car. So I got both the speeds of both the persons. Let's we see what his question asking in the third one. What is the speed of Raj's car? It is 20. Clearly it is 20 kilometers per hour. Next, question number 4. How much time took Ajay to travel 400? So time taken by Ajay is nothing but distance by time. Time is how much? 25. Distance by speed. Just now we got the speed, that is 25. 400 by 25. If you simplify, you will get it as 16 hours. So your option is D here. So time taken to travel 400 kilometers is nothing but total distance by speed. If you divide these two, we are getting clearly it is 16 hours he has taken. So what about Raj? How much Raj has taken? So simple, plus 4 total 20 hours. So I hope you clearly understood this question. So that's all from my side. Once again, you practice and get it.